A great website for assessment in the math classroom is called GoFormative. GoFormative provides great feedback for both the students and the teachers. This is an example of a GoFormative I created on sequences for my Algebra 2 classroom. I grouped the questions by topic so that when I was able to view the responses, I could tell what students got right or wrong. So you can go through and you can select the correct multiple choice question. And if it's an open-ended question, you can allow for more than one correct answer depending on how students might write their answer. Now, this is an example of what the students would see when they go in and take this quiz. So again, they have the multiple choice questions, and then they are also told how to write the equation just so that they wouldn't be marked wrong, because the website does mark them right or wrong for you, which does provide instant feedback to both you and the students. This instant feedback allows students to know whether they are right or wrong so that when they do the next assignment, they know whether they understand the material or not. It also helps teachers, if this is a targeted check, to group the students accordingly, maybe for a split screen model. The great thing about GoFormative is the way that the results are given. So this is an example of my class that took it. So again, my first 5 questions were simply identifying whether a sequence was a geometric or arithmetic. So not only does it tell me whether they got it right or wrong, I can make it partially correct. Maybe for the open-ended, they got the multiplier correct, but not the initial value. And the red means that the app marked it completely wrong, and I did not think that they deserved any partial credit for that. So I can look to see that this student may be struggling because they got 2 of the 5 wrong on just identifying, whereas my top student up here only made some minor errors at the end. And then I knew that when I ordered these, I made number 10 a very challenging problem. So it was very interesting that the student here was able to get the most challenging one wrong, but the 2 before that, or I'm sorry, the most challenging one right, but the 2 before that incorrect. You can also see the totals at the top of what percentage of students got this correct. Students can receive their scores when they submit it or as they're answering, depending on how you choose to assign it. You can see the scores in real time as they progress through as well. So this is my favorite formative assessment tool to use.